Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to request blue check mark and threads. So basically that option is not available on threads, but as we all know, the threads is by Instagram. So once you request the blue check mark and Instagram, it will be directly applied on your threads account. So let's go into Instagram, and right here I want you just to go into your profile by tapping on your profile picture below on the right side, and after that I want to head over into this three horizontal lines, tap on them, and right here I want you just to go into the account center. So once you are here, I want just to scroll down so you can see the meta verified right here. Tap on it, and after that I want you to tap on unlock benefits. Even you can read the benefits just from here. Right. After that, you need to select the profile that you want to request the blue check mark on. So sign up, and after that they will tell you, or they will inform you, or they will give you some informations about the payment. So as you can see, this is the payment amount. So tap on continue, and right, so after that they will ask you to pay by your MasterCard or your Visa or anything that, or any card that you have, and you just need to complete the process to get the blue check mark. So after you are finished, you will or it will be directly applied on your trades too. Anyways guys, this is the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.